What's the difference between ustedes and vosotros in Spain, and how can you use them correctly 100% of the time? First, we need to understand that in English, both of these translate to you all, so a group of people that you are addressing. The second thing to know is that vosotros is only used in Spain, and it is considered informal language, and everywhere else in the Spanish-speaking world is most likely going to use ustedes. So it's very difficult for me to say that ustedes is informal language or formal language when everywhere outside of Spain is going to use it. The only difference you're going to see here in formality is when you are in Spain. So what exactly is formal and informal language whenever we're speaking in Spanish? Formal language is what you're going to use whenever you are speaking to people in a business setting, an academic setting, or someone you don't know or someone in a position of authority. So think doctors, professors, someone you meet at the bank, anybody that you could talk to that you don't know or is in a position of power or someone you need to respect is usually someone you're going to use formal language with. And formal language is going to be usted or also ustedes if you're in Spain. On the other hand, informal language is what you're going to use when you're speaking with friends. In the Spanish-speaking world, you can use vosotros if you're in Spain. Everywhere else in Latin America, you're going to use ustedes because there's no formality or informality there. But if you're going to talk to someone directly, like you're going to tutearlos. Tutear means that you're going to use tú with someone instead of usted. Tú is the informal version of you, and usted is the formal version of you. However, this also gets very murky because in some parts of Colombia where I lived, people do not use tú at all. They refer to everybody as usted. So really this idea of formality and informality is actually really fluid depending on the country you're trying to learn with. So let's look at an example. Use usted whenever you're talking to a doctor. You go into the doctor's office and you say, Hola, ¿cómo está usted? You're talking to the doctor, you're talking to him directly, and you're going to be a little bit more formal. How could you use this with ustedes? Say, for example, you walk into a room of people that you don't know in Spain. You could say, ¿Cómo están ustedes? It's a group of people, you might not know all of them, so in Spain, you want to be a little bit more formal. Everywhere else in the Spanish-speaking world, though, anytime you talk to a group of people, you're going to say ustedes. So there's only one rule to remember here, and that's when you are in Spain. Whenever you're thinking of tú versus usted, you always want to use tú with friends, family members, people you know very well, and use usted for everyone else. So that's really the difference there, but I kind of see it dying. If you have any other questions, let me know and I'll try to help you.